Compressed air. Without it, industrial production would come to a standstill. At SMC, I am advising companies all over the world on pneumatic technologies. Sustainability is becoming a big topic for our customers. Just think about it. Electricity is needed for producing compressed air. I know that thousands of liters are wasted every day. Just because very often the consumption of a machine is not monitored and leaks are not known. I want to stop this waste. Digitalization is essential. It means you can monitor the process, seeing where the leaks are and stopping them. This works especially well when we at SMC take care of the monitoring. We call that equipment as a service. We measure air consumption with sensors and visualize it, using the Cumulocity IoT platform. Consumption peaks can thus be better distributed and leakages avoided. Electricity and maintenance costs are reduced and the CO2 balance is improved. My name is Oliver Brang and I'm convinced that IoT is a crucial technology for sustainability and climate protection.